pause for a second. Y'all see this video? I shot this in camera. You see the effect, the dreaminess, it was all shot in camera. Keep watching, you'll see how.
These days life can bring so much pressure. Problem after problem stacking up like Legos. Down so long, I don't know if I can get
Bro, what? A TV. I literally shot this with a TV. We were downstairs and I was filming the video for TVINCI, and I saw the reflection in the television and I was like, let's try this out. So we tried it out and this is the result. So you haven't already, check out Still Believe by TVINCI, shot by Mr. YNOT. Thank y'all so much for watching, for tuning in for Mr. YNOT. This is behind the scenes moment, an exclusive behind the scenes moment with TVINCI for the Still Believe video. I did some video content for them. Y'all, it's crazy. We shot with a TV to get this effect. A lot of people were asking, how was that created? Did you do it in post work? Literally, a TV. Only thing I did was add a color grade to it, and that was it. If you made it this far, thank you so much. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe on the videos. I'll be giving it creative tips, going behind the scenes on different photo shoots and all those things. But until then, I'm out.